Most people think a deep, attractive voice is something you're born with, but that's not really true. If that was the case, actors, speakers, and performers wouldn't sound completely different on stage compared to real life. Here's the reality. Your voice is a skill, and just like your body, it changes based on how you use it. Think about it. When someone is nervous, their voice gets higher, shaky, and weak. But when they're calm and confident, their voice naturally becomes deeper and more controlled. Same person, same vocal cords, different output. So if your voice sounds weak, fast, or a bit high-pitched, it's not fixed. It's just untrained. Let's fix that. The first thing you need to understand is resonance. A deep voice isn't just about pitch. It's about where your voice is coming from. Most people speak from their throat. That's why their voice sounds thin or tight. But a stronger, more attractive voice comes from your chest. A simple way to train this is humming. Just close your mouth and hum slowly. You should feel a vibration in your chest, not just your lips or nose. That vibration is what gives your voice depth. Do this daily for a few minutes, and over time, your voice starts sounding fuller without forcing it. Next is your tongue posture. Most people don't think about this, but your tongue position affects how your voice comes out. If your tongue is low and loose, your voice sounds unclear and weak. But when your tongue rests properly against the roof of your mouth, your speech becomes sharper and more controlled. It's a small adjustment, but it makes a noticeable difference in clarity and presence. Now let's talk about something basic that people ignore: hydration. If you're not drinking enough water, your vocal cords dry out. And when that happens, your voice sounds rough, strained, and inconsistent. A well-hydrated voice sounds smoother, cleaner, and more stable. So if you want a better voice, start with something simple. Drink enough water throughout the day. But the real game changer is breathing. Most people breathe from their chest in short, shallow breaths. That's what creates a weak, unstable voice. What you want is deep breathing. Breathe from your diaphragm. Your stomach should expand, not your chest. This gives your voice more power and control instantly. If you want a quick fix, try this. Take a slow, deep breath through your nose, then speak while controlling the air slowly. You'll immediately sound calmer and more grounded. And that brings us to nose breathing. Breathing through your nose, not your mouth, helps regulate airflow and keeps your voice steady. Mouth breathing dries out your throat and makes your speech less controlled. Nose breathing keeps everything smoother and more balanced. It's a small habit, but it changes how your voice feels and sounds over time. Here's a simple exercise most people don't expect. The pen method. Take a pen and hold it lightly between your teeth while speaking. It forces your mouth muscles to work harder and improves your articulation. When you remove the pen, your speech feels clearer and more controlled. It's a quick way to train better pronunciation and vocal strength. Now let's talk about your neck muscles and overall posture directly affect your voice. If your head is forward and your neck is tight, your voice gets restricted. But when your posture is straight and relaxed, your voice flows naturally. Stand upright, relax your neck, and avoid tension. Your voice should feel effortless, not forced. Another factor people don't talk about is hormones, especially testosterone. Higher testosterone levels are linked to deeper voices, especially during development. Now, you're not going to magically change your voice overnight because of this, but improving your lifestyle, sleep, exercise, nutrition can help optimize your overall presence, including your voice. It all connects. Here's an interesting technique. Practice with your nose slightly closed. When you do this, it forces your voice to rely less on nasal tone and more on chest resonance. This helps you avoid that nasal sound and makes your voice feel deeper and more grounded. But even with all of this, one thing matters more than anything else: the way you speak. You could have a naturally deep voice, but if you talk too fast, sound rushed, or seem unsure, it kills your presence. Most people speak too quickly without realizing it. Try slowing your speech down by even 20%. Pause slightly between sentences. Confident people don't rush, they control the pace. And here's something powerful: silence. Confident men are comfortable with pauses. They don't feel the need to fill every second with words. That space actually makes their voice feel more authoritative. If you often sound nervous when you talk, it usually comes down to shallow breathing and rushing your words. Fix your breathing, slow down, and your voice will naturally sound more confident. You don't need to fake a deep voice. You just need to remove the habits that are weakening it. If you want to start seeing results quickly, focus on this. Hum daily to build resonance. Breathe deeply from your diaphragm. Slow your speech down, stay hydrated, fix your posture. Even a few days of this will make your voice sound noticeably better. For long-term improvement, keep practicing. Train your breathing, improve your speaking habits, stay consistent with posture, and take care of your body. Your voice adapts over time, just like anything else. At the end of the day, an attractive voice isn't about forcing depth. It's about control, clarity, and presence. Because when you speak with calmness, confidence, and intention, your voice naturally becomes more powerful, and that's what people actually respond to.